And a warm welcome to Wellington, everyone. Now for your safety, you must remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seat beside is turned off. Also be very careful when opening the overhead lockers as items could fall out. It is now safe for transmitting functions on your electronic devices to be turned on. Now please ensure you have declared on the passenger arrival card any quarantine or biosecurity risk goods, including food, fruit and animal products and any farming, camping or sports equipment. Additionally, if you have traveled recently from Indonesia, please declare any meat, animal products, farm equipment or if you have been in contact with livestock. On arrival, the New Zealand border authorities will process you as quickly as possible. Your patience and kindness is appreciated. Now finally, From all the team, we hope you enjoyed flying with Air New Zealand on the Starlines network. We would like to thank you all, including our Airbuns members, and looking forward to welcome you on board again very soon. Now have a lovely night ahead, a lovely Sunday tomorrow, and take care, stay safe. Harinaka Kitiano, Mateva.